All right, could I have parties announced?
Houston here. Charles Gold, Mr. Villarreal.
Are you Mr. Villarreal?
Yeah.
It's okay. Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Thank you, Deputy Laura. Did you review the application for deferred adjudication with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it? Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Okay. The case, Class A misdemeanor, Avion. No objection.
All right, did you review the admonishments and waivers and admonitions with your attorney? Did you understand it, sign it in all the appropriate places? State is proceeding on the lesser included offense of assault bodily injury as a Class A misdemeanor. Range of punishment is up to 1 year in the Bexar County Jail and up to a $4,000 fine. If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand? You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent. Did you understand by entering this plea you were giving up those rights? Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case? Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 1 year in the Bexar County Jail and up to a $4,000 fine? Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yeah, yeah.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, off the record for a moment. And do you believe he was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Villarreal, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea? Anyone promised you anything other than the plea? Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it? According to the plea, the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of a Class A misdemeanor assault bodily injury. There's a $1,500 fine. State recommends deferred adjudication. There's to be restitution, if any, to the complainant. Did you understand that to be the plea? Defense?
Yes,
State?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places? Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand? Counsel, are there any such motions? Outside the agreement, the state is recommending that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 2 years, TAP evaluation, 180 hours of community service restitution, and no contact with the complainant. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations? Then to the lesser included offense, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State, any evidence? All right, state, you may be excused.
Thank you.
Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent? Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence state's exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing state's exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you apply for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, we passed the respondent agreement. The only other thing that we ask is that between service hours, you do less than that. He does have a job to work, and he takes some of that off. So, like that.
All right, so what caused this? Yes.
So basically, so if I
Okay.
They were best.
But then it says you called him back and said, "I love you, bro." That's what it said in the voicemail. It says, hours later, you left him a voicemail and said, "I love you, bro." All right, that's what's in the police report. All right, so here's the thing. I understand that when things happen, right? Heat of the moment, you're doing things, but you can't do that, right? So you have to call the police so that the police can handle it, and hopefully they'll do an appropriate investigation, a diligent investigation, and that will be taken care of at that time. You understand? All right, so you're employed. What do you do? All right. And do you have any children? All right. What are their ages? Okay. All right. This is what the court is going to do. The court is going to sentence you to 2 years deferred adjudication, regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs, or you can do the patch. The patch costs more. They'll be able to tell you how much that costs. There's to be a $1,500 fine. That will be probated. Restitution, if any, and no contact with Andrew Mark Schreiber, Schreiber. Ms. Ferguson, can I have a 20-day reset on that for a restitution hearing? While she's getting that date, there's going to be 100 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to order parenting classes. Once the parenting classes are complete, the restitution will be deemed satisfied. All right, August 4th will be your restitution hearing. You can appear by Zoom. Field visits 1 time per month for 3 months. Probation, is there anything else? Oh, thank you so much. Proof of employment within 30 days. No employment as a home health care provider or with minors. All right, did you review the trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yeah.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand? All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing: to be successful in probation in this court, communication is key. If there is an issue, let your probation officer know about it. If you feel they're not addressing it, you can always come back to court. And thank you for dressing appropriately for court, although you always do. Thank you. You're welcome.
Let me see, sir.
Yes. All right, state,
Yes,
is your witness ready?
I believe so, Judge.